it's Alli Peck from Glamour Glow Academy. Let's talk about when you should be booking your maternity session for your client. My suggestion a few years ago was between 32 and 36 weeks of pregnancy, and I followed that for a few years until I had a few clients come in at around 28 weeks of pregnancy, and that is now my favorite time to do a maternity session, is between 28 and 32 weeks. The reason for this now is just before the years I've learned that you can swell near the end of your pregnancy, you're uncomfortable, sometimes certain marks are not going to be present earlier in a pregnancy like that. So my guideline now is between 28 and 32 weeks. Of course, I take people that are 36, 37 weeks even. It depends again on your client. So if they are a larger size, perhaps you want to wait a little bit later in their pregnancy so their belly is really firm and popped out more. Sometimes if they're a smaller person, you can go earlier in a pregnancy, or sometimes even you actually need to push the pregnancy later on because they are so tiny their tummy's not even showing yet. So you need to kind of reach out to your client, talk to them, you know, maybe if you can even see what they look like currently during their pregnancy, that'll give you a better idea of when to schedule the session. That's just a guideline, but it is, again, my favorite time is between 28 and 32 weeks of pregnancy. If you enjoyed this tip today and would like to learn a bit more, you can head over to glamourglowacademy.com, and I'll see you there.